Based on the search results I obtained, I can provide a detailed due diligence report on Uber Technologies, Uber, for many of the areas you've listed. However, the available information has some significant gaps, particularly regarding current valuation metrics, technical analysis, and dividend policy. The financial data is largely based on the company's full year 2024 results. Here is a comprehensive overview of Uber's investment profile. Business and Financial Overview Area of Analysis. Key Findings Data Status Business Overview. Global platform connecting riders, diners with drivers, couriers. Segments: Mobility, Ride-Sharing, Delivery, Uber Eats, Freight. Partially complete financial health revenue, Q4 2024. 11.96 Net income, Q4 2024. 6.88 Inclern. One-time tax benefit. Operating profit, FY 2024. 2.8 Debt to equity, B0.77. Partially complete valuation metrics, PE, PB, PS, EV, EBITDA, not found in search results. Incomplete growth potential. Gross bookings growth, Q4 2024. 18% YOY. Autonomous vehicles, cited as a massive opportunity. Partially complete risk factors, regulatory labor, driver classification disputes, legal challenges, algorithmic management, driver deactivation, pay and working conditions. Partially complete dividends and returns company did not mention dividend. Focus on share buybacks, active and opportunistic buyers of our stock. Partially complete market sentiment management believes company is undervalued. Specific analyst ratings price targets not found. Incomplete. Corporate Governance Ethics and Compliance Program. Charter and Integrity Helpline mentioned. Board details, executive comp not found. Incomplete ESG sustainability commitment. Zero emission platform by 2040. Controversies. Significant labor and algorithmic management issues. Partially complete employee and labor risks driver. Protests on strikes. Reported in various markets. Health and safety. Physical and mental health risks from algorithmic management and job insecurity. Partially complete detailed analysis of key areas. Financial health and growth. Uber has reached a significant inflection point in its profitability. For the full year 2024, the company reported income from operations of $2.8 billion, a substantial increase of 152% from the previous year. A key profitability metric, adjusted EBITDA, grew 60% YOY to $6.5 billion. The company also generated free cash flow of $6.9 billion in 2024, demonstrating its ability to convert earnings into cash. Growth remains robust, with gross bookings growing 18% year-over-year in Q4 2024 to $44.2 billion and trips growing 18% to 3.1 billion for the quarter. Risk factors. Regulatory and labor risks. Uber faces ongoing global legal and regulatory challenges regarding the classification of its drivers as independent contractors rather than employees. This classification denies drivers minimum wage, overtime pay, unemployment insurance, and workers' compensation protections. A study interviewing Uber drivers highlighted how algorithmic management creates a stressful work environment and limits drivers' freedom, leading to organized resistance and protests. Operational and safety risks. Drivers and delivery workers face safety risks, including physical assault and car accidents. For example, Uber documented 24,000 physical assaults and threatened assaults against its drivers from 2017 to 2020. The threat of deactivation, being fired by an algorithm without meaningful due process, is a major source of financial insecurity for workers. ESG, sustainability and labor practices. Uber has publicly committed to becoming a fully electric, zero-emission platform by 2040. However, its ESG profile is heavily impacted by significant social, labor controversies. Research indicates that algorithmic management can contribute to poorer occupational health for drivers, including issues like anxiety, depression, stress, and physical ailments. A 2023 survey of platform workers in Texas suggested median hourly earnings can fall significantly below the legal minimum wage after accounting for expenses, leading to financial distress. How to fill the information gaps. The search results lack several critical data points you requested. To complete your due diligence, I suggest you consult these specific resources. Current valuation metrics and market sentiment. For real-time PE, PB, EV, EBITDA ratios, analyst ratings, and price targets, please check the financial platforms you mentioned, such as Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, or Reuters, by searching for the ticker Uber. Technical analysis. For key support chart resistance levels, moving averages, and momentum indicators, TradingView is an excellent and reliable source for charting and technical analysis. Official SEC filings. For the most granular and verified data on corporate governance, executive compensation, insider transactions, ownership breakdown, and tax practices, access Uber's latest annual report, 10K, and quarterly reports, 10Q, directly from the SEC's EDGAR database. In-depth ESG scores. For standardized ESG ratings and peer comparisons, refer to specialized providers like MSCI and Sustainalytics. I hope this structured report provides a solid foundation for your investment research. If you need further analysis on a specific aspect, such as its freight business or a deeper dive into its patent portfolio, please let me know.